Looking for the best 4K dash camera to protect yourself on the road? From crystal clear video to 24-hour parking surveillance, we've got you covered. Here are the top 5 best 4K dash cameras you should check out in 2025. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Azdome GS63H Pro 4K dash camera. The Azdome GS63H Pro 4K dash camera is designed to deliver high-definition protection and convenience for drivers. With its front and rear cameras, this dual dashcam captures video at Ultra HD 4K in the front and Full HD 1080p in the rear, offering a comprehensive view of the road from both directions. Equipped with advanced WDR and Starvis night vision technology, the GS63H Pro enhances visibility in low light conditions. The combination of an f1.8 large aperture and a 6-layer glass lens ensures that footage remains sharp and well lit, even during nighttime or in poorly lit environments. Integrated GPS functionality allows the dashcam to record the vehicle's route, speed, and exact location. Users can access these GPS-tagged videos using the free Azdome GPS player on both PC and Mac, which adds an extra layer of detail to video evidence in the event of an incident. For around-the-clock security, the GS63H Pro supports 24-hour parking monitoring when connected to a hardwire kit. The time-lapse mode conserves storage space while maintaining continuous surveillance, providing peace of mind even when the vehicle is unattended. Additional features include loop recording, which automatically overwrites old files to make room for new ones, and a G-sensor that locks important clips during sudden impacts. The included 64GB memory card ensures sufficient space for regular driving needs. The dashcam also supports Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. With the Azdome app, users can connect their smartphones to the camera to view, manage, and share videos with ease, making file access and sharing more efficient than ever. The Azdome GS63H Pro combines cutting-edge video technology with smart safety features to offer a reliable and user-friendly driving companion. Coming in at number 4, the Lingdu V620 4K dash camera. The Lingdu V620 4K dash camera is engineered to provide reliable, high-resolution video recording both day and night. With its advanced dual recording capability, the camera captures in sharp 4K at the front and 1080p at the rear, covering 4 lanes with a 150-degree ultra-wide lens. This ensures every detail is recorded, reducing blind spots and enhancing road safety. Equipped with HDR and WDR technologies, the V620 delivers crystal-clear footage even under challenging lighting, balancing sunlight, shadows, and glare. A 60 FPS recording mode is also available when HDR is turned off, providing ultra-smooth video playback. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 technology allows seamless and rapid connection to the Lingdu app, enabling users to download footage, adjust settings, and share clips without cables or delays. This is 3 times faster than traditional 2.4 GHz connections. Designed with user convenience in mind, the V620 sports a compact and discreet form factor that blends effortlessly into any vehicle. Despite its small size, it packs powerful performance with high-quality recording, loop recording to maintain continuous footage, and a vigilant parking mode that records events even when the car is off. Night vision capabilities further enhance its functionality, ensuring that low-light environments don't compromise the clarity of recordings. Backing its advanced tech is professional support from Lingdu, offering 12 months of warranty and 24/7 technical assistance. The dedicated R&D team responds within 24 hours on working days, providing peace of mind long after purchase. The Lingdu V620 is a smart choice for those seeking performance, clarity, and reliability in a dash camera. At number 3, we have the Redtiger A6 4K dash camera. The Redtiger A6 4K dash camera offers an advanced driving companion designed for safety, convenience, and clarity on the road. With dual-channel recording, the camera captures front and rear views in crisp 2.5K plus 1080p resolution. Drivers can easily adjust the viewing angle to suit their needs, ensuring optimal coverage in every situation. For those who drive at night, the interior infrared night vision ensures clear visibility inside the cabin, even in low-light conditions. This feature is particularly useful for rideshare drivers or anyone who values comprehensive in-vehicle monitoring. The dashcam features 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, enabling fast and smooth video downloads directly through the Redtiger app. Users can review footage, adjust settings, or manage files seamlessly via their smartphone. Voice and touch controls further simplify operation, allowing hands-free commands or intuitive touch interaction for greater safety and ease of use. Built-in GPS tracking adds another layer of functionality. The Redtiger app and PC player provide detailed playback of route data, including speed, time, and precise location coordinates, valuable tools in the event of a traffic incident. From high-resolution recording to intelligent control options, the Redtiger A6 is a powerful upgrade for any driver focused on safety, security, and reliable documentation on the road. Next up at number 2 is the Ddpai Z60 4K dash camera. The Ddpai Z60 4K dash camera redefines vehicle surveillance with an impressive blend of advanced imaging, connectivity, and security features. Equipped with 4K front and 1080p rear recording, the Z60 offers exceptional clarity from both ends. Users can further expand their coverage with an additional 2K Mini 2X camera, creating a complete 3-channel recording system. This setup is effortlessly managed through Ddpai's R-Link technology, which automatically syncs all connected devices for multi-angle monitoring via the Ddpai app. For added peace of mind when the vehicle is parked, the Z60 introduces innovative AOV technology. This system provides low-power, time-lapse parking monitoring, instantly activating to capture any suspicious activity while conserving battery life. Nighttime surveillance is also enhanced with NightViz 2.0, powered by Ddpai's AI-based ISP image processor. This technology ensures sharper, brighter footage even in low-light environments, improving both day and night recording quality. The Z60 features a 3-inch Full HD display combined with no smart control, providing intuitive access to settings and playback directly from the device. In terms of connectivity, the built-in Wi-Fi Turbo leverages 5 GHz speeds to deliver fast video transfers and smooth playback, making it quick and convenient to review and download footage. Altogether, the Ddpai Z60 is a robust dash camera system that delivers ultra-clear video, intelligent monitoring, and high-speed connectivity, all designed to keep you protected and in control on and off the road. Finally, at number 1, we have the Wolfbox I07 4K dash camera. The Wolfbox I07 4K dash camera offers a comprehensive recording solution with its triple camera setup, capturing the front, inside, and rear of your vehicle simultaneously. Featuring ultra-wide-angle lenses, 150 degrees front, 160 degrees interior, and 155 degrees rear, it ensures expansive coverage and crystal-clear detail with its 2.5K plus 1080p plus 1080p resolution output. Designed for clarity, the front-facing camera can record in stunning 4K, while the cabin camera supports 1080p. A 3-inch LCD screen enhances the user experience by providing a wide, immersive view of all camera feeds in real time. This setup is ideal for both daily commutes and long road trips, offering reliable documentation of every moment on the road. Equipped with an advanced Starvis sensor and 6 infrared LED lights, the i07 captures clear footage even in low light or nighttime conditions. This makes it especially suitable for rideshare drivers, offering protection and accountability around the clock. Built-in GPS functionality accurately logs speed and location data, viewable during video playback on a computer. Coupled with built-in Wi-Fi, users can easily access and manage footage through a dedicated smartphone app for iOS and Android, with options for video download, editing, and one-click social sharing. The Wolfbox I07 combines high-end imaging, smart connectivity, and all-around monitoring to provide drivers with dependable, high-resolution coverage for every drive.